And if you have a question during the presentation, please use the chat box and we'll try to address it at the end if there's time. So today we have two presenters from Blue Ocean. We have Margarita Amplo and Paulo Pompeo. First up is Margarita. She's a member of our US team. She brings over 7 years of SAP experience. She has over 20 years experience in enterprise software sales, marketing, business development, and account management. She's very passionate about developing new clients and expanding existing customer relationships. She's awesome at building relationships and has fostered strong partnerships with senior executives of prestigious organizations. And she understands client needs in order to provide strategic solutions. So with that, Margarita, you could take it.
Thanks so much, Karen. I appreciate it. And thank you, everyone, for joining today. Some objectives we wanted to talk to you about today is specifically learning, what exactly is digital transformation and why smaller organizations should go ahead and start their journey to becoming digital, as well as, when should you go ahead and start. And we'll also go over some examples of going digital and how SAP and Blue Ocean can help with your digital transformation. So you might say, what is exactly digital transformation? We pretty much define it as the changes associated with the application of digital technology in all aspects of human society and activity. We're looking at hyperconnectivity, being able to have anytime, anywhere communications, unlimited computing power, through diverse platforms, and of course, cloud computing, being able to have easy access to hosting software and services. And of course, the rapid increase of sensors and mobile devices, that's important these days. And the big buzzword, cybersecurity, that support the reliable access and the use of key information to the right people in the right hands. So small and mid-sized businesses are beginning their digital transformation, but not even, realizing it. According to an IDC study, about 40% of mid-sized organizations already have deployed at least one digital technology. So you ask yourself, why should my small organization go digital? Now, we're defining small, according to the IDC study, as being organizations from 10 to 99 employees, and then mid-sized organizations from 100 to 999 employees. This study that was conducted actually saw an increase in sales of over 74%. It improved workers' productivity at 78%, and their cost went down significantly, 72%. And it showed improvement in the ease of information access at 86%. And of course, the important thing is to have the improvement of customer service these days. It's very important, and that was at 78%. So, there's many benefits on why your organization should go digital. Digital transformation, speeds up your company's growth. IDC studies, says that over half of the fastest growing small to mid-sized organizations are actively engaging with digital transformation. Your collaboration among employees allows, revision of workflow, different processes, and streamlines operations within your organization. Business analytics, very important. Being able to have a 360 view of your business. We all have all of that data stored. What are you doing with that data? Are you making wise decisions for your organizations, both internally and for your customers? And e-commerce strikes a good play as well, improving, again, that customer engagement, being able to take online orders and tracking information online. And of course, your ERP, being able to automate your key business functions, from the finance, operations, CRM, and HR. So I wanted to tell you a little bit about Blue Ocean Systems. We were founded in 2005, and we primarily named our business after the book, Blue Ocean, when Blue Ocean Strategy was published. We like to, follow the principles of the book to find a better way of doing things and how to go to the blue waters to bring a new way of implementing business systems for growing companies. And, being able to use our experience of a larger organization such as SAP and the flexibility and cost structure of a smaller company. So our business strategy is, value innovation is a key to it. A little bit more about us. We started over 12 years ago, and we've earned a really good position in the marketplace. Again, to seek and find and deliver the blue ocean for all of our clients. Our co-founders bring a depth of experience from DuPont and Accenture practices, and we have tremendous consulting experience with technology innovations, both with small, mid, and large firms. We would love to, be sure that our clients are satisfied. So, right from the beginning, we listen and we work very closely with our clients to be sure they're set up for success on their projects. And then, of course, we utilize SAP and all the other business networks, including the rest of our partner ecosystem. So the selection of Blue Ocean as your SAP partner will make you go live successfully and then get the benefits of your Blue Ocean. And we stay with you, even after the go live, and you'll hear that a little bit later on from some of our customers. Thank you.
Thank you, Margarita. Next up is Paulo Pompeo. He's going to tell us a little bit more about SAP, their products, and how Blue Ocean and SAP can help you go digital. Paulo is a member of our international team. He's based in Brazil. He has over 30 years experience in the IT industry. He spent the last 12 years focused on SAP Business One. He focuses on building SAP partner relationships. He's a certified professional. Paulo, you're up next.
Okay, thank you, Karen. Thank you all for joining us on this webcast. Actually, I got a message for you. Digital transformation is happening. There is no returning, and it impacts all aspects of your business. SAP enables technology, and it is absolutely necessary for digital transformation. SAP did not invent mobile, cloud, portals, business intelligence, or any of the technologies, but it did provide the platform that enables these technologies to be used as part of an integrated solution. So you ask me, who is SAP? Why and what is SAP Business One? And why Blue Ocean Systems? And what I can tell you is that SAP is a company headquartered in Germany and with subsidiaries in more than 130 countries. SAP is the world leader in applications in software and in software services, with more than $20 billion of annual revenue, where 75% of this revenue comes from small and mid-sized enterprises. SAP has more than 70,000 employees, 300,000 customers, and 1,200 partners worldwide. Why SAP Business One? Business One is the SAP ERP specially developed for small, medium, and growing companies, perfect for subsidiaries of large companies integrating with a business suite S4, with lower costs, quick implementation, and adaptable to dynamic business needs. And in the picture below, we can see all the modules of SAP Business One. Financials with accounting, banking, and cost accounting. Operations with sales, procurement, inventory, management, program. CRM with opportunity management, service management, and calendar. HR, project management, fixed assets, utility billing, and much more. And why Blue Ocean System? Because over 12 years experience helping customers to implement SAP Business One. Blue Ocean has experience with large enterprises implementing Business Suite S4. We have over 200 successful projects in 36 different countries. We are a US company with 4 outside offices, India, Nepal, Brazil, and Australia. And our professionals are all certified. And why Blue Ocean Systems and SAP? Because we have high speed of implementation based on our experience. Our implementations have lower costs based on the speed of that. Our experience in all kinds and size of corporations make us understand different types of business, and our delivery methodology ensures our product. And finally, how SAP and Blue Ocean can help your company with the digital transformation. SAP and Blue Ocean can provide the technology that your company needs to begin the digital transformation with a complete ERP. Here we have a snapshot of what SAP Business One screen looks like. We can see examples of the dashboards that are available and the top 3 customers graphics that are available on a cell phone. You can see the SAP Business One as a mobile application. All of this technology running in clouds and powered by SAP HANA, our in-memory database. For more information on how your organization can get this technology, please feel free to use the chat and we can schedule some additional time with you to further discuss.
Our success stories we wanted to talk to you about is Ocusoft. They're a pharmaceutical company. They pretty much specialize in eye and skincare products, and they employ about 135 employees. Their primary objectives were to implement a solution to facilitate product growth and expansion, and to have a better control of their processes internally, and also, find integrated solutions and expand, their global reach. They chose SAP and Blue Ocean Systems because Business One is an integrated solution, and it did allow them to easily integrate other systems within the organization, like CRM and reporting and retail systems. Blue Ocean helped facilitate Ocusoft's team to do the day-to-day operations. And the benefits Ocusoft found in implementing Business One were, their flexibility to scale, better understanding of their global market demands, and as well as on-time delivery and accuracy in orders, efficiency in sales and warehouse and purchase departments. They actually saw an uplift of 27% in revenue, 11% reduction in cost of operations, and 90% increase in orders processed per day. And then they were very happy because everything was 100% integrated. And here you see a quote from Thomas Mason, the Vice President of Corporate Development on Ocusoft. And we'll share with you some videos too at the end. Actually, we'll send them out to you, tell you a little bit more about the specific story. Another customer success story is CR Daniels. They're a manufacturing company. They've been around for over 98 years, and they're a diversified manufacturer with expertise in textiles and plastics and metal fabrications. They have about 225 employees, and their objectives were, to implement a solution to help facilitate product growth and expansion. to get better control of their internal processes, as well as, to have one integrated solution. And the reason why they chose SAP with Blue Ocean Systems is SAP Business One is an integrated solution to fit their needs. They had a long-term relationship with Blue Ocean, as well as, Blue Ocean knows them and their business, and they were happy, with the implementation. And the benefits that CR Daniels is seeing is they were able to allocate inventory, track production orders, and they actually saw 11% increase in revenue, an 8% reduction in their inventory, and 97% on-time scheduling deliveries. They also saw their stocks turnover 2x, so that's an increase in stock turnover. And of course, 100% visibility of their order status across their organization. So they were able to have that 360 view of their organization. And here you see a quote from Gary Abel, the president and CEO of CR Daniels. And the next customer success story that I wanted to review with you is DFA. They're an automotive company. They develop and manufacture anti-drumming and stiffing films for noise protection, specifically for the automotive industry. They employ about 150 employees, and their objectives were to be able to map the entire order process system consistently, being able to connect multiple rooms and warehouses, being able to automate their shipping process. That was something very important to them, and integrate their company internal information systems for items and packaging. And they chose SAP and Business One because they felt that one system, it was one full system that met their requirements. Their investments were secure, and costs were low, as well as the software was implemented within 5 months. So that was very important to them. And some of the other advantages that DFA found were their customer base actually doubled since they went go live. So that's pretty amazing. 150% more orders and deliveries, more efficient production, definite improvement in customer service, and faster order processing. So that was very important to them. And here you see a quote from their CIO as well on how they're working with SAP and Business One.
Thank you, Margarita. That was a good summary there. If we have any questions this time, and if we don't, I guess we've met our 30 minutes, a little below 30 minutes. I'd like to thank you for your time again, and I guess we'll wrap it up. If you have any questions, my email is on there, or visit our website. Again, I'll probably follow up with you with some of these customer success videos. Again, we appreciate your time. Thank you for attending.